Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that'll make you want to fly high. On the left, we have the Holystone GPS Drone HS175D, and on the right, the RADCLO Mini Drone. Let's dive in and see which drone deserves to soar in your skies. First up, let's talk about the all-important price tag. The Holystone HS175D comes in at a wallet-busting $229. But hey, it's got 4K ultra-clear camera written all over it. Meanwhile, the RADCLO Mini Drone is a more budget-friendly option at just $62. That's less than your monthly coffee budget, folks. If you're looking to save some cash, the RADCLO might already be winning your heart. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the cameras. The Holystone HS175D boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini James Cameron in the sky. On the flip side, the RADCLO Mini Drone offers a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. Not too shabby, but it's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a home video. If you're all about those Insta-worthy shots, the Holystone is your guy. Reviewers love the HS175D for its picture quality, though some mention minor stabilization artifacts. The RADCLO's camera, while decent, is best for casual use, with users appreciating its durability despite crashes. Next, let's talk flight features. The Holystone HS175D has GPS auto return, which means it won't ghost you mid-flight. It also comes with altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. It's practically a flying Swiss Army knife. The RADCLO Mini Drone, however, isn't far behind. It's got stable altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, and even a 3D flip feature. If you want to impress your friends with some aerial acrobatics, RADCLO's got your back. Reviewers praise the hydrogen sulfide Ds, reliability and performance in windy conditions, while RADCLO users appreciate its ease of use indoors and fun features despite its wind limitations. Battery life. Because nobody likes a short-lived fling, the Holystone HS175D offers an impressive 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show. The RADCLO Mini Drone, on the other hand, gives you 22 minutes with its 2 800 mAh batteries. It's like going on a fun date, but having to leave halfway through dessert. So if endurance is what you're after, Holystone takes the cake. Reviewers of the HS175D are happy with the battery life, though charging takes some time. RADCLO users find the flight time short but acceptable for the price. When it comes to portability, the Holystone HS175D is a traveler's dream. It's foldable, comes with a carrying case, and weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. RADCLO Mini Drone also comes with a carrying case and has a larger body size, but it's still easy to lug around. Both are great for on-the-go adventures, but Holystone might just edge out with its lightweight design. Reviewers agree that both drones are convenient to carry, though the hydrogen sulfide D's lightweight design is particularly praised. Finally, let's talk smarts. The Holystone HS175D is practically a flying genius with features like Follow Me, Custom Path, Circle Fly, and Gesture Control. It's like having your own personal drone assistant. The RADCLO Mini Drone, while not as fancy, still packs a punch with high-speed rotation, circle fly, and gesture control. It's like the fun cousin who's always up for a good time. Reviewers love the hydrogen sulfide Ds, intelligent features for added convenience, while RADCLO users find its simpler features fun and easy to use. Overall, reviewers are impressed with the Holy Stone GPS drone HS175D for its stability, camera quality, and intelligent features, making it a great choice for beginners and advanced users alike. The RADCLO Mini Drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it an excellent choice for casual users and families. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holy Stone HS175D and the RADCLO Mini Drone both have their strengths. If you're looking for top-tier camera quality, longer battery life, and more intelligent functions, the Holy Stone is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a fun and reliable drone, the RADCLO Mini Drone is a fantastic choice. Which one will you choose to take to the skies? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and happy flying. Product links are in the description.